Alright, hello everyone, Fist of God here. And this will be a little bit of a different type of
Got a
Resident Evil 4
selection
video.
of good things on what are you selling?
This will be
Is that all?
episode 1
Is that all? Is that all?
of a
Is that all?
challenge run that I'm going to be doing.
Thank you.
What I'll be
What are
doing
you buying?
is a Chicago typewriter only challenge run. Chicago typewriter.
Strange.
I'm playing the Mafia costume, so I have the drum mag. I don't have many healing items at all, do I? And for this challenge, I'll also be using the Wiimote and Nunchuck, as opposed to using the GameCube controller. So I went with the Mafia costume because that's the only way you can do this challenge. Also, something really cool. If you reload, I'll go ahead and show you guys these now. Let me collect this stuff first. If you do this one a certain amount of times, then eventually you will get a different one, which I believe will be next. There we go. Boom. Really cool. As I said, this will be part 1 of a challenge run. The typewriter only challenge. Now I'll be playing with the Wiimote and Nunchuck as well. So I know for like the village and whatnot, it won't be much of a challenge, just only using the typewriter. But once you get later in the game, enemies do become stronger. Oh, I'm gonna pick that up on. See if I can. Could my accuracy be any worse? I don't think so. I freaking love doing that. It's so cool. Excuse me. My throat's dry. Let's go ahead and help out this dog. Go ahead and get this a little bit more presentable. There we go.
Un forastero!
Headshot, baby. Now, I'm playing with the Wiimote and Nunchuck, and here's the thing. I actually like the Wii Remote controls for this game. I personally don't think that they're bad. I shot 2 enemies from behind a wall, or from behind those trees just now. Look at them, they're gonna be dead right here. Where are they? They go flying back. Oh, they did! Jesus. Let's go ahead and kill Gerard Butler right here. So I call this Ganado. Nice incendiary grenade. Gold. Alright. Let's go ahead and storm this village. love pulling off headshots. It's so fun. Should I also make this a headshot challenge? Let's see. Headshot, headshot. Alright, there we go. I won't really be picking up any treasures either, or anything like that in this challenge run. You can see all that in my normal playthrough. If you're not watching that, I don't know why. Excuse me. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Freaking awesome. Awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. Love that. Love that. Alright, I'm going to switch hand controls here to moving so I can do the quick time with my left hand, because I'm left-handed. There we go. Perfect. Alright. I can still go for a little bit longer.
Feeble.
Alright, let's go. I won't be talking to you at all this game, merchant. Oh my god, all the headshots is beautiful. Yeah, this right here is also done on professional. Like my other playthrough that I'm doing. Ow! Jesus, dude. we go. Alright. Everything is still in order. Surprised I didn't step into a bear trap right there.
¡Agárrenlo!
Just for the purpose of getting gold. Well, this isn't really a challenge, more like a fun run. I say it's a challenge because you're handicapped to only using one weapon with a set of rules. Alright. Well, that's going to be it for this episode, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Peace.